Ooh, she's repeating outfits. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm so excited, but we are going to be unboxing the September-October box for Chic Beauty Box. You guys want to see what I got in here, what my thoughts are, well then definitely keep on watching. Alright guys, so if you guys don't know, Chic Beauty Box is a bi-monthly subscription box. You get about 5 to 6 full-size items in here with retail value over $100 plus. The items can range from drugstore to luxurious products, which I think is fantastic. They kind of do a mix of the both. This box does retail for $34.99 if you have a bi-monthly subscription, or if you just want to purchase it one time, it is $39.99. You can purchase it whenever you guys see me do the unboxing. If you guys want to get this month's box, it'll be available there for you. You do not have to commit. Now, since this is from Canada, you guys do have to pay shipping and handling, which I believe is like $7 something. But I do have a discount code. It's AllieX10, which will save you guys 10% off your box, which should hopefully cover shipping cost for you guys. Well, somewhat shipping cost. But either way, I actually really do enjoy Chic Beauty Box. This is my third time getting it, and the first two boxes I have really loved. I love the items that they put in here. I think they're such fantastic choices, and I just can't wait to see what this box has to hold. So enough rambling on. I'm gonna go ahead and jump on into this. If you guys already saw yesterday's video, you guys would have saw that I'm an outfit repeater. Shame on me, but you know what? I like to film a couple of videos at one time just because I always have so much content to film, especially for the month of October, because I have 3 for sure Halloween looks that I'm going to do for you guys, and I'm trying to do like some stuff like my spider stuff in between, like just telling you guys some ghost stories and whatnot. So I have a pretty packed month. So but that said, we're gonna dive into it. Okay, so one of the things I really enjoy about this box is that on the back you see all the products that could be listed into your box. So it kind of allows you to determine what variation you got. Now for the last 2 unboxing, it was variation 1, variation 2, and at the bottom it told you the price point for each box. And as a person who does so many unboxings here on this channel, you have no idea how much I value that as a content creator, because I'm consistently having to add up the price points for like BoxyCharm, Ipsy, FabFitFun, all that goodiness. So it's kind of nice to not have to do that work to have it done for me. But today's video, we're gonna have to do the math ourselves. So typically it was a like variation 1, variation 2. Now for today, it does not say that. It just says all the items that could potentially be in your box. So it kind of makes you feel like things were just thrown in here like a mystery surprise, and you just kind of have to do a scavenger hunt to find out what you have and determine what value the box you have, which I actually think is really cool. It kind of spices things up, because then it kind of makes it feel like not everybody gets the same box, because it's either the other boxes were variation 1 and variation 2, and now it's kind of like you get what you get, and it's kind of like a mystery box. I do really enjoy that they kind of did that. So the first item that I'm seeing is this BareMinerals Endless Glow highlighter in the shade Free, which retails for $30, and it says a mineral based powder that gives you a luminous dew kiss glow while blurring imperfection. Ooh, that's actually a really pretty highlighter. So there we have the highlighter swatched right there. Very gorgeous, almost like a light champagne color. Super pretty. I like that a lot. Typically I'm not one to really keep highlighters for myself. That's actually really gorgeous. Next, we have this NYX Naughty versus Nice collection. Ooh, we got into some Christmas stuff. Okay, so this NYX gel liner is these silky gel liners blend easily and don't set into creases or fade, and retails for $9. This is the waterproof Naughty or Nice. This is a liner and a smudger, so this is just one of those like liquid liners that you take a brush and you just kind of put on yourself. I'm not a really big fan of liner to begin with. I'm not really good at putting on a wing liner. I think it's also because I have huge ginormous eyes, and so whenever I do wear liner, y'all, it's a hot mess. I found a photo of myself when I was like 24 years old. I'm gonna show it, and we're gonna embarrass myself. This is me before I started to really invest into makeup, doing a makeup look. I literally cringed at that photo, and I've looked at Corey and I was like, why? Why did you let me leave the house? I looked like shit. Like, who in God's name thought that was a good look? That's an embarrassing look. And I went out in public like that. So I'm going to go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday because I know I'm not going to get a use out of it. Alrighty, next we have, this is a Milk Makeup Vinyl / Strobe. Just a few clicks reveals a slick pigmented shade and tickle free. Ticky free. Huh? It retails for $20. I'm so confused. What does that mean? What does that mean, ticky free? What are you? This is a pen that dispenses high shine shadow for the ultimate runway look. Get high shine shadows for an ultimate runway look in one easy click pen. This high-tech gloss formula glides on with ease and infused with natural oils for hydration, high shine, and a non-sticky feel. Designed for when on the go, it can carry from day to night. And this is in a black shade right here, which I think is perfect for Halloween. However, I have to say, and I'm not trying to call out any shade whatsoever, but on Sephora's website, it retails this product for $13.50. And on the product right here, it's retailing it for $20. So I'm going to go with Sephora's actual price on this product and say that it's actually $13.50 and not $20. I don't know if maybe when it first came out is retail for $20 and now they dropped the price. I'm not entirely sure, but I know this is something that I'm probably not going to ever use, especially since it says that it's like a gloss on the eye. I'm not really fan of like a high shine gloss in the eye, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this product to my No Waste Wednesday. But I think it's actually a really cool concept. You just click the pen like this and just rub it right on the eye. I think it's actually really, really cool. So yeah, we're gonna go with the price I saw on Sephora and not the price I see put on here because I rather just use what I see online. So the next product that I see is from, it's this big product. It's from NARS. It's actually really nice to see NARS in here. It's this Hustle Cheek Palette. Looking on here, I don't know if I see it. I'm assuming it could be the NARS Moto Tapu Face Palette, though this does not say that this is a face palette whatsoever. This says it's a cheek palette. Okay, I'm confused. Okay, so on here it says Studio 54 Hustle Cheek Palette featuring a trio cult favorite blush and shimmering highlighting powders for ultimate glow. Retails for $42, but this is a NARS palette. Yes, it does say 54 Studios, so I'm assuming that it's the same thing. I just don't want to be confused because I'm kind of confusing myself now. I'm gonna type in Studios 54. See what it brings up. It should be just NARS, right? Okay, so this is the Hustle Holiday 2019 Cheek Palette, which the price on this is actually legit. There are very similar prices online. Retails for $42. They labeled it Studio 54 palette, so that is just a little bit confusing because it's the NARS palette. It's not labeled 54 at all. I think that's just what they're labeling the holiday collection, but online it's calling it the NARS. So that is just a little bit confusing, but it does retail for $42. We're gonna take a look at it now. This is the Cheek Palette. Oh my God, that is so cute. Wow, that is so cute. Alrighty, and this is the palette right here. It looks like we have a highlighter, a blush, and I think like another blush right here. Super cute. I enjoy that. That's actually really cool. All right, awesome. And last but not least, we have this Allmay Goddess Gloss. And this retails for $9.99, and this is the holographic lip gloss that moisturizes, soothes, and it's never sticky. And this is definitely like a really beautiful like purple, which I think is great just in time for Halloween, which I actually kind of like the theme of this box because they did put a like black eyeshadow in here and a purple liner. So they're definitely trying to theme it out for like a Halloween theme box, trying to go with those like Halloween themed colors, which I really, really appreciate. This is definitely a really beautiful gloss. I haven't used Allmay in so long, so it's kind of nice to like dive back into it. And this would be like a great lip topper. Probably not something I'd wear by itself, but for sure something I use like on top of like a black lip. Put that like right in the center. Oh my God, that'd be so beautiful. Like, let me swatch this. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You see that? That is like a beautiful purple shine gloss. This will look stunning on top of a black lip gloss. Oh my God, that would look stunning on top of black lips. So let me go ahead and add up the value of the box. Let me go ahead and add the value of the box. I'll be right back. Alrighty, so the value of the box is $104.49, and they guarantee the box to be over $100 value. Now, I did lower the price of the Milk Makeup Strobe from $20 to $13.50 to actually match what I saw online. It still values at over $104, so I think that is fantastic. What are my thoughts on this? I actually like that you can kind of see what every single item was in this box, like what they had picked out. I like the theme of it so far. I really, like I said, think it's cool. They put like Halloween themed colors in here. I think that's actually really cool. So far, they put more high-end products in here than they did the drugstore products. And I'd be okay if I got a box full of drugstore. Like, I actually really do like drugstore products. They're really like starting to kick ass lately. And I actually really do like this box. I kind of like the diversity of everything. You have an eyeliner, you have a highlighter, you have a face like cheek palette right here, you have eyeshadow, lip gloss. They really, really do such a great job at putting all makeup in here and no skincare, which I really, really enjoy not getting any skincare. That is fantastic for me. And, you know, and they're all full-size makeup products, which I think is really cool. I thoroughly do enjoy Chic Beauty Box. I think they really do a great job at trying to diversify the box, make sure that you get nothing the same, make sure that you get a mix between different, you know, makeup products and not just have all lip glosses or all eyeshadows. I think it's really cool. They really diversify the box. They barely include any skincare, which is something that I can definitely love and cherish. And it's a bi-monthly box, and it's a box that you can sign up for whenever you want or you don't want. Like I said, I do have a discount code. It's AllieX10, which will save you guys 10% off your box, but you don't have to use it if you want to, just to save you guys money. I get nothing off of it, but yeah, I cannot thank Chic Beauty enough for sending this my way. I thoroughly do enjoy their boxes. I think their boxes are really good, and I can't wait to see what they do for Christmas. Hopefully they throw in like a red lips, maybe like Christmas themed stuff in there. That'd actually be really cool. So yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post every day, every other day, just depending. Also, make sure you guys head on over to my other channels, R for the Life. You guys can see my cool, wonderful adventures, amazing fiance Corey. And as always, guys, I just want to thank you guys for all your love and support. I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye. Oh shit, not ready. The entitled, they tell you what the, I believe. No, I just rambled on. No. Okay, so I need to start this over. So we're already gonna have that. I think that's actually really, really cool. Oh my gosh, I'm so thirsty.